In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use XREFs in AutoCAD. An XRF, short for external reference, lets you reference another drawing inside your current file without permanently importing all of its geometry. This keeps your file size manageable, makes collaboration smoother, and ensures updates in the source drawing can flow through to any file that references it. Think of it as a live linked background that you can see and snap to, but don't have to duplicate. Let's start by opening the External References Manager. In your command line, type XRF and press Enter. This opens the External References palette. You can dock this palette on either side of your workspace or leave it floating, whatever keeps it handy. Inside, you'll see a list of referenced files, their status, paths, and other details. If you've never used XRFs in the current drawing, the list will be empty, which is perfectly fine. Now let's attach an external drawing. On the palette, click Attach DWG. If you're working with other reference types, you can choose Attach and select the file type you need, but for now, we'll keep it simple with a DWG. Browse to the drawing you want to reference and click Open. AutoCAD will present options such as path type, reference type, and placement settings. Path type controls how AutoCAD remembers where the file lives. Relative paths are often best for team environments and shared folders. Reference type determines how nested references inside your XRF behave. Choose what suits your workflow. You'll also see placement options like insertion point, scale, and rotation. You can specify exact values or place it visually later, depending on your precision needs. When you're satisfied, confirm to attach the file, and the XREF will appear in your drawing and in the palette with its current status. A few helpful tips as you work. Keep your project files organized so paths remain valid, especially if you move folders or share projects. The External References palette is your hub for checking whether a reference is loaded, unloaded, or missing. If the source file changes, the palette helps you see that and refresh accordingly. Layers within an XRF remain controllable from your host drawing, so you can turn layers on or off to focus on what matters without editing the source. Finally, be mindful of naming conventions and consistent units across drawings to avoid scaling surprises. That's the core of creating and using XREFs. Open the External References palette, attach the DWG you need, and leverage the palette to stay organized and up to date.